Do you want to know which sea creatures pose the biggest threat to humans? Join us as we explore and rank the top 10 deadliest sea creatures, providing you with essential safety tips along the way. Understanding these dangerous dwellers can mean the difference between a safe swim and a fatal encounter. Make sure you watch till the end to find out the #1 killer in the ocean that most people are completely unaware of. Kicking off our countdown at number 10, we have the cone snail. This small but mighty creature is not just any snail. It's one of the ocean's clever hunters, using a harpoon-like tooth to shoot a powerful venom at its prey. But why should we keep our distance? Because this venom can also be very dangerous to humans. Remember, no matter how pretty they might look, never pick up a cone snail on the beach. It's better to look and not touch. Currently, there is no known anti-venom for a cone snail sting, and the only thing medical professionals can do is keep you alive while the venom runs its course. Stay safe and keep watching to see who's next in our lineup of the ocean's deadliest. Coming in at number 9 is the blue-ringed octopus. They are found in tide pools and coral reefs in the Pacific and Indian Oceans, from Japan to Australia. Don't let its small size fool you. When threatened, it shows off bright blue rings as a warning. Aren't they beautiful? The venom of this tiny creature is powerful enough to paralyze a human, causing serious problems with breathing. Despite its small size, they carry enough venom to kill 26 adult humans within minutes. Their bites are tiny and often painless, with many victims not realizing they have been bit. Remember, beauty can be deceptive in nature, so it's best to admire this fascinating octopus from a safe distance. At number 8, meet the lionfish. The lionfish is native to the Indian Ocean and Western Pacific Ocean. They can be found around the edge of shallow coral reefs, lagoons, rocky substrates, and on reefs, and can live in areas of varying salinity, temperature, and depth. With its striking stripes and venomous spines, this fish is both beautiful and dangerous. The lionfish is not shy about defending itself. Its spines can deliver a painful sting that, while rarely fatal to humans, can cause severe reactions. What's more, lionfish are invaders in many parts of the world, harming local marine life. So what do you think we should do about these invasive fish? Next up, at number 7, we have the sea snake. Despite their marine adaptations, most sea snakes prefer shallow waters near land, around islands, and especially somewhat sheltered waters. Living mostly in warm coastal waters, these snakes are extremely venomous but surprisingly docile. They rarely bite humans unless provoked. The majority of sea snakes are highly venomous. They rarely inject their venom when biting, so venomous bites to humans are rare. However, their venom is so potent that it can cause severe injury or even death. Fun fact, sea snakes can breathe partially through their skin. Isn't that cool? At number 6 is the Portuguese man-o'-war, found living at the surface of the Indian or Atlantic Ocean. Often mistaken for a jellyfish, this creature is actually a siphonophore, a colony of organisms working together as one. Its long tentacles can deliver a sting that's incredibly painful and sometimes dangerous. Pain from a sting can last up to 3 hours. What's more is that the tentacles can sting for several hours to days after they are detached or the organism dies. Have you ever seen one on the beach? Remember, steer clear of this beautiful but perilous drifter. Number 5 brings us to the stonefish, the master of camouflage. It blends perfectly with its surroundings on the ocean floor, making it hard to spot. Most live in coral reefs near the tropical Pacific and Indian Oceans, while some species are known to live in rivers. If stepped on, its venomous spines inject a toxin that can be extremely painful and potentially fatal without quick treatment. Using hot water above 113 degrees Fahrenheit or 45 degrees Celsius on the injured area has been found to remove most of the pain and cause minimal discomfort. There is also anti-venom, and along with the hot water, should save your life. How do you think you'd spot a stonefish in the wild? It's tricky, right? Swimming into number 4, we have the bull shark. Known for its aggressive nature, the bull shark is one of the few shark species that can live in both salt and fresh water. This means they can sometimes be found in rivers as well as seas. Their bites can be serious, leading to severe injuries. Adult female sharks can grow as large as 8 feet or 2.4 meters and weigh as much as 290 pounds or 130 kilograms, while the males are slightly smaller. Their size and giant bite force make this animal very deadly. Always be cautious and respectful near the water where these powerful creatures live. Making a big splash at number 3, it's the great white shark. Famous around the world, great whites are powerful predators with a reputation that often includes myths and exaggerations. They do have powerful jaws and an impressive hunting strategy, but attacks on humans are extremely rare. Great white sharks, like all other sharks, have an extra sense which enables them to detect the electromagnetic field emitted by the movement of living animals. Great whites are so sensitive they can detect variations of 0.5 billionth of a volt. At close range, this allows the shark to locate even immobile animals by detecting their heartbeat. What's the most surprising fact you know about great white sharks? Just shy of the top spot, at number 2, we have the saltwater crocodile. This is the largest of all living reptiles, and it's known for its incredible strength and quick ambush attacks. Males can grow to a length of 20 feet or 6 meters. The females grow to about half of that size, but are just as deadly. Saltwater crocodiles can be very dangerous to humans if provoked. They're responsible for several attacks each year. Why do you think it's important to keep our waterways safe and clean for these giant reptiles? And finally, at number 1, the deadliest creature in our countdown, the box jellyfish. The notoriously dangerous species of box jellyfish are largely restricted to the tropical Indo-Pacific region. Known for its nearly transparent body and beautiful flowing tentacles, the box jellyfish carries venom that is among the most powerful in the world. The venom was found to have more than 170 toxin proteins, which is why the venom is so dangerous. If you're lucky, you will end up with a painful sting, but just one encounter can also be lethal. It causes more deaths annually than any other marine creature in our countdown. Always swim in safe, designated areas to avoid these beautiful but deadly jellyfish. What would you do if you saw one while swimming? And that wraps up our countdown of the ocean's 10 deadliest creatures. Each one is amazing in its own way. But remember, it's always best to admire them from a safe distance. Thanks for joining us on this underwater adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more exciting discoveries. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of our planet. See you in the next video.